Charlie Munger, who had a net worth of over $2.6 billion, once said, "I don't care what you have to do. If it means walking everywhere and not eating anything that wasn't purchased with a coupon, find a way to get your hands on $100,000. Most people quit before the first $100,000, but at this exact moment, your wealth stops adding and starts multiplying." I'm going to show you why the first $100,000 truly is the hardest, but why it is the most important milestone. The first reason is the simple, brutal truth about math, the scale of capital. Let's say you invest $1,000 shown by this nice little sprout. If you were able to achieve a 10% annual return, at the end of the year, you would have earned $100. This $100 may not seem like a lot for a year of waiting. The reason for this small payoff is because the scale of capital invested was small. Had you invested more, let's say $10,000 at the same rate of return, you would now have $1,000 at the end of the year. Same time period, but a much better result. But this video isn't about reaching a net worth of $10,000. So let's scale our capital up to the famous $100,000. You can see at this point, with the same rate of return and yearly time period, our profit is now $10,000. That is a substantial amount of money. Scaling capital allows for larger returns as you increase the size of your investment. At this point, many people see their investments out, earn the amount they are able to save annually, and their net worth starts to increase at a greater rate. The second reason why $100,000 is so important has to do with compound interest. It is so powerful, Albert Einstein referred to it as the eighth wonder of the world. Put simply, compound interest is the interest you earn on your interest. To see how compound interest makes $100,000 of investment so powerful, let's see what happens when you're able to save $10,000 a year at a 7% annual interest rate. You can see that each year your investment grows as you contribute an additional $10,000, while the interest you earn helps you reach your first $100,000, which will take about 7.84 years. From here, everything speeds up. While your first $100,000 took 7.84 years, your second $100,000 will only take you 5.1 years, that is 2.74 years faster, all because the interest your interest earns starts to outpace the $10,000 per year you invest. Your next $100,000 is earned even faster, only taking 3.78 years to reach $300,000. From here, each $100,000 keeps getting faster. When you have $900,000, it will only take you 1.35 years to reach $1 million. If you have made it this far, please consider liking and subscribing. This is our first video on the channel, so it would help a lot. The first tip, if you don't have $100,000 yet, is to increase your investment horizon. That means start investing now, but to plan on keeping your money invested for longer as the gains come at the end. If we were to start with $10,000 invested and invest $500 each month for 25 years at an 8% return, we would have over $522,000. If we increase the time horizon by an additional 5 years, our investment would grow to be over $804,000. A massive increase for 5 more years of time invested. You can use the compound interest calculator linked in the description below to see how the numbers would change based on your time horizon and ability to invest. The next tip is to try and focus on your savings rate early on. As shown in the example, the speed of your first $100,000 will be tied to how fast you can save, with minimal impact attributed to the investment returns. It is crucial that you start making consistent investments and focus on increasing the amount you are able to invest early on. Make sure to subscribe for more videos in the future, and thanks for watching.